Good morning. So we're at the show again today. People were moaning about the lack of peel on the bonnet, but I wouldn't have thought it would be a problem. See what I did there? Wouldn't have thought it would be a problem. So I've spent all night making a wooden bonnet for the car out of the wife's kitchen top, and I used the coffee table as well. So there we go. The V70 California now has a wooden bonnet, and to be honest, all you vinyl people that know stuff about wrapping cars in vinyl, I don't know what all your trouble is about. The trick is, if you just cut them into smaller pieces, it's much easier to do. And then if you wrap it on a car that's already got bad paint, and then all you need to do is use a Stanley knife and just cut all the bubbles out. There's a little bit of creasing, I'm not going to lie, but I wasn't going for a show quality finish. It's not like this is a show car, is it? Well, it is today. Anyway, that took me about 2 hours, and I honestly thought it was only going to take me about half an hour. It takes ages wrapping vehicles. It looks really good though. I'm really pleased with it. Oh, we've got the t-shirts on display today as well, here at the show. Save the planet, crush a Tesla, obviously. Surfboard in the roof, fairy lights are on. Right, that's it. I'm going to work now, but if you are at the restoration show, just drop a beer through the top of the California, and I'll see you later. Look, I've even added some racing tape on the headlights of the 850 today. The world's only 7-seat Volvo race car. Cool. All right, thanks very much for watching this little video. You wouldn't have believed that it would look so good, would you? It does actually work really well.